What's the meaning of beatific? Beatific. Beatific.
Beatific. Beatific. The word beatific is an adjective that refers to a sense of blissful happiness or serene joy. It often describes a state of being that is believed to be experienced in the afterlife or in a religious context, such as achieving enlightenment or seeing God. It can also be used to describe a person who exudes a sense of peaceful tranquility or contentment. The word derives from the Latin word beatificus, meaning making happy, and has been used in English since the 15th century. Overall, the term beatific connotes a state of perfect happiness and inner peace that is often associated with spiritual or divine experiences.